everyone. Good morning. How are you doing today, all of you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jatikul Ansari. Today I am going to make one video about how did burn the language. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have lots of questions, but now I am asking you one question.
Okay.
How do you learn the language?
Burn from sound, then letter, then word, then sentences, then story and poem. First, I will be understand letter and word. Okay. Without letter, we cannot make any word. But letter is important. Like for example, I take P-E and pen. That one called word. Second, sentences. Without words, we cannot make any sentence. Word also important. Like for example, this separate word, each separate word, and separate word, apple separate word. When I will be combined all, that one called sentence. And history and poem. Without sentence, we cannot make history and poem. Like for example, this is an apple, that is book, I have a pen, they are playing football, he is kick the football and he pass him. That one called history and poem. Poem is a twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's one called poem. And do you have any more questions?
Yes. What is the vowels?
Vowels is a file. Like for example, A, E, I, O, U. That one called vowels. When he worked between another word to another letter to another letter.
And what is the consonant sound?
Consonant is actually one. Like for example, B, C, T, F, Z, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called 21 consonants.
What is the alphabet?
Alphabet, when I will be combine vowels and consonant, then I will be combined, these are called alphabet.
And how to make words?
Without letter, we cannot make any word. Like for example, T, I take T, H, I, S. When I will be combined, that one called word.
And how to make sentence?
Without any word, we cannot make sentence. Like for example, that is a book. That one word separate is one separate word. Book one separate word. When I will be combined all, that one called sentence. Thank you so much, everyone. That video, like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.